Today's the day we're doing the Deatschwerks flex fuel kit. Well, no, the Deatschwerks kit rated for flex fuel. Then this is gonna affect my flex fuel sensor from Inovate. All my fittings and everything. This is the module, the lines, and everything else. Had to clean out my back seat because of course my car is junky. This the man right here is gonna be doing it for me. Tuned up.
I need my t-shirt on.
Just got the cage out. Trying to wiggle it through. Gonna put in that basket. Some no fuel. Gets everywhere. Swapping the fuel rails now. Have full DW everything, so might as well get rid of the fuel rail.
Spacious. Get them out of the way. I don't like you got no space to put shit on top of like in your engine bay shit. You only got that front thing, but
Front. Setting up the fuel filter system now. Greasing everything.
just a little bit of thread locker. Feels safe. Gonna clean the O-ring.
I actually have to leave soon, so I might not get everything, but we're not gonna finish today anyway, so it's okay. So far, he put the fuel gauge and regulator. He was waiting for some new fittings. There's the new fittings he got. And I think now he's doing the flex fuel sensor. Need fittings for those too. I ordered catch can. I'm gonna put this in sometime soon. This video been really choppy, but it's because I've been doing it like after hours between work and whatnot, so that's why it's like this is almost like a week later. But the last thing he's about to do right now is he did the whole, fuel rail, the regulator. We got the fittings that we needed. I think I said that already. We routed it this way. It's tucked in here. He ran it under the car. The fuel, where's it got? The fuel filter is sitting over here somewhere. He ran it through here. That's still kind of open. You can't really see it. So, the attachments he did, we can close it back up after everything's completely finished. Last thing he did was put the gauge pod that came with the kit I bought. He's gonna wire this pod, connect it to power, and then now he's wiring the ethanol sensor to this plug right here. But that's pretty much it. And then the last step is to get it tuned. And today's Sunday. I talked to the tuner. He said I could come in Thursday. So hopefully, nothing changes. Hopefully he sent me a base map so I can actually drive it. Right now I can't drive it because I switched the injectors. If I didn't switch the injectors, I would be able to at least move it under its own power. But right now, I don't know what happens if I start it. So I'm going to just wait until tune day. So yeah. But yep. That's it for now. There's nothing else to really record on this. Hopefully I got a decent video out of this, even though it was very choppy.